Starting with task number 1, click SQL Workshop, Utilities, and Data Workshop. Next, click Load Data. And you want the one for loading CSV, XLSX, XML, and JSON. Next, the Load Data wizard appears. Navigate to the working directory where you have extracted apexcourselabs.zip. Next, we will choose hardware.csv and click Open. Enter hardware for the table name. Go ahead and accept the remaining defaults and click Load Data. Notice that we get a success message that 37 rows were created in a table called Hardware. In the Object Selection pane, click Hardware. The Detail pane now shows details about the hardware table. For the hardware table, review the column names and data types. Click the Data tab. Now, we see a report of the data contained in the hardware table. You want to create a lookup table now. Perform the following steps. Click Table. Click Create Lookup Table. Select Department for the column and click Next. Accept the defaults on this page and click Next. Finally, we will click on Create Lookup Table. Review the table definition of Department Lookup Table once it is complete. In the Object Selection pane, click on Hardware. Review the table details. Notice that the Department column has been extracted from the hardware table and is now available in the Department Lookup Table. This will conclude demonstrations for practice 2-2.